How are truck accidents different than car accidents? So, car accidents are most often caused by human error, whereas a trucking accident is more often caused by the vehicle itself and the sheer size of the vehicle. When you have a big truck involved, it's harder to brake, which means when you have trucks that are traveling at highway speed, the length of time it takes for them to brake is a lot longer than it is for a regular vehicle. It's harder for these trucks to make turns. A lot of times they have equipment failure. There might be a manufacturing defect. All of these things are factors about the vehicle itself as opposed to the driver, which we see more often with cars accidents versus a truck accident. Trucking accidents can also be caused by the cargo that's being transported. So the cargo that's on the back might have been secured incorrectly and fall off, causing an accident. Or the cargo might also be hazardous and contain dangerous chemicals, which, as you can imagine, can cause explosions or, other things like that. Aside from the cause of the accident itself, another key difference between car accidents and trucking accidents are the injuries that are involved. So with trucking accidents, the injuries are a lot more severe given, again, the size of the vehicle involved. A regular car is around 3,700 pounds versus a truck that's 80,000 pounds. So these types of accidents usually involve catastrophic injuries, and a lot of times they can also involve death. Finally, one of the main differences between a car accident versus a trucking accident is that there are more potential defendants, which, in other words, there are more people to be held liable and there are more people to sue. So when you have a normal car accident, you are usually only dealing with the driver. In a trucking accident, you could have the driver, the manufacturer of the truck itself, the trucking company that the driver is working for, the maintenance provider of the vehicle. Let's say they did a bad job doing their routine maintenance. They didn't fix something that they should have, something like that. And also any of the individuals who load the cargo onto the truck. And this is kind of what I was saying earlier, when loads are secured incorrectly, those people can also be held liable. So those are some of the main differences quickly between the two types of accidents.